Hi, welcome to see and Chinese cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
I'm Len.
Today we cooking in the 5-color and fried rice.
Fried rice, yes.
Yeah.
One of my favorite comfort foods, I must say.
See, have 5-color.
We're going to go out in the kitchen. She's going to cook, and we'll be back to talk about it in just a few minutes.
All right. See you later.
Bye for now.
Right. Hi, welcome to watch Chinese cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Okay, today I want and cook the fried rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice, right? Okay, and first time I do the egg, and the inside I put some and shrimp.
Shrimp. Okay.
And onion in here.
Okay.
Inside. And
what is the white? It looks like noodles.
no, this is onion.
It's onion.
Right.
Oh,
Onion.
Okay.
Onion and shrimp
Okay.
in the egg inside.
I see.
I use 6 egg, but you choose how much you want because I work and 2 people eat food.
Okay,
So-
this is for 2.
Right, and have the shrimp, onion, egg in here,
Okay.
and there's a ham.
Okay.
Ham.
Ham.
Like 什么?
Yeah, we got a hickory smoked ham, and it's it's being used for a lot of different foods.
Right, and your choice which one you like. Maybe you like sausage.
Okay.
Maybe you like a turkey meat.
Or chicken.
Right, and all your choice, no matter what meat
Okay.
you like first. Okay, and today and we all the in here. Okay, another one is the vegetables.
Mixed vegetables.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, and rice. Rice is I last night cooked the rice, and there's a cooler. Sometimes you make more rice, and then you just one time you cook a noodles or a little, you have more, and you can use it. And before you have the rice, you cook is very good. No, first time you cook the rice, you eat fresh, and the next day no very fresh. You just use this one, cook very good.
Okay.
Okay, and we need oil.
All right. So you've put the burner on high.
Right, this one need a little more oil.
Okay.
We need salt in the egg inside.
Okay.
Okay, just put some.
About a half a tablespoon of that for that
Probably
one.
just half.
Okay. Or
Because
a little bit more
I
maybe.
wanted the egg have some taste.
Okay.
I prefer not put it inside, and you put it inside too long, the egg color change.
Oh, okay.
Right.
I didn't know that.
The shrimp you choose how much you want to put it in there.
So if you like a lot of shrimp, put a lot
Right.
of shrimp in.
Normally I like a shrimp.
Me too. One of the things about the rice that we should mention is that we use jasmine rice. It has a
Right.
great smell, great taste.
Right.
And it stays sticky too, which is really nice when you're using chops. It's easy to pick up, and it kind of keeps everything all together at one time.
Right.
So you're waiting for the oil to get
Oil
nice and
hot.
hot.
Right. No too hot. But hot is good.
Okay. See if I can get this a little bit closer down there. Sorry about the camera movement, everybody. Doesn't look very professional that way. Okay.
The oil more hot.
Now, what you're making today, is this is this real Chinese, something that real Chinese families will eat at home? Or is this more, you've seen this in American restaurants and...
Yes, American restaurant could usually run more, but they don't usually large the shrimp in the inside. No use ham. And then just use some egg, make the fried rice.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Chinese cooking Jie style.
Jie style, okay. It is Chinese cooking, but it's the way that you like to prepare it.
Right.
Okay. Everybody has different ways. It's like in America, there's probably 20 different ways at least to make pot roast. So when it comes to fried rice, I suppose there's got to be a million different ways to do that as well.
Right. I like put the shrimp and the egg together because the shrimp very easy and the cooking good.
Okay.
And I like the shrimp, the taste in the egg.
Mm-hmm. I know I'm going to say this a couple times, but this is one of my favorite foods.
Yeah, right now you just smell the shrimp smell,
I can
right?
smell a lot of things going on in there. I can smell the onion, the shrimp.
Right.
Yeah, it smells very good.
Okay, right now we open this one.
Now those you have taken out of the freezer, they're at room temperature now, right?
Right.
They're not cold.
Not cold.
It's already looking beautiful in there.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Yeah.
Right now, I get the rice to go inside. So usually out.
Oh, okay, all of it.
Yeah, usually out.
Okay.
They can eat more time.
Yeah.
2 days.
2 days. Well, so actually, what this could be is for one meal, it could feed 4 people.
Right, 4 people, yes.
Okay. But for 2 people for 2 days, this is very good. You can see when she put the rice in the pot there that it's kind of clumped together. It's a sticky rice.
Right.
And I just can't talk this rice up enough. I think it's the best rice I've ever had. I like some wild rice as well, and some brown rice. But this jasmine rice is by far my favorite. So just mixing everything to keep it from sticking and burning?
Right. Very easy. And quickly. And just need a little more. Just a little, not very much. Because before the rice, before the egg inside has to taste. Right now, I just want the rice and more have a little more taste.
And the ham was also pretty salty, the one that we bought.
Right.
So, don't want to go too crazy on the salt.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Some escaped.
Right.
This is a good meal for leftovers. So if you have extra vegetables, extra meat, something like that, the next day you want to have something a little different, put these things together and you can have a nice meal.
Right. Smell good, it tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Look good.
Now, do you put any soy sauce on here as well?
No, I just want to make it out white. And rice white. And then you color out pretty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you put the soy sauce in there, the rice is dark.
Right. I've seen it in restaurants where when they cook it on the on the griddles.
Right.
That they'll put some of the soy sauce on there.
Sure.
But this is Jie style's
Right.
real
Jie
Chinese
style.
cooking. Boy, that smells good. Putting it together is really easy.
And the pretty, you can see.
Yes. Got all the different colors in there.
Right,
Orange and
white,
yellow,
yellow, and orange,
green.
and red. Have the red hammer,
Right.
and
Where'd the shrimp go?
carry the yellow, orange,
Right.
and the
there's
beans, and
the peas.
peas, green.
Oh, there are green beans in there.
Right,
aren't there?
it's pretty.
Yeah.
See?
I didn't know those had any in there.
Okay. So it's good. Right now, I just use the heat warm.
Okay.
Okay, right now it's done.
Wow. Fast.
Okay.
Oh, it smells so good.
Light. You can see more
Oh,
the color. Okay. See,
yeah. That is beautiful.
and you have the light color, huh?
Yes. It's beautiful. Yes. Very nice. Well, I can't wait to eat that.
Okay.
Shall we get ready?
Okay, ready. We go eat.
Okay.
Okay. See you later.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Welcome back. The cooking is done. Right now we eat. Try.
I'm ready. All
Okay.
right, but first a dose.
Okay, to us. Together forever. Mwah. Love you. Tea.
Not tea. All right.
Okay.
Oh, this smells so good. It's too bad you can't smell it.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Mm-hmm.
It's good, huh?
Again, one of my more favorite foods. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know it's simple, but sometimes simple is the best, you know?
Right.
And you're right. This does taste a lot better without having the soy sauce or anything else on there.
Right.
Because you taste everything.
Right. In the restaurant cook this one, and the put some soy sauce, you just taste the soy sauce more.
Mm-hmm.
In this one you don't taste the soy sauce. You can taste the rice and the egg, shrimp. You can all the you have a taste.
And I am a little bit surprised. You can really taste the shrimp,
Right.
even with all the other flavors going on.
Right. You just eat the egg. You eat the soy. No. Eat the shrimp. You can taste the shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Everything's great. Well, thanks for making some of my favorite food again.
You're welcome. I need that.
I'm going to take you up on that. All right, so I guess for today, I guess that's about it. This is going to be one of our more fast and easy meals that you've made.
Right. Very easy.
Thank you very much for stopping by and watching Chinese Cooking with Jie.
And hope you will like and give you good idea and easy cook and taste good.
So don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Right.
Push that subscribe and notification button so that every time she comes up with a new video, you'll be alerted right away. And thanks again for coming. And for now,
Hope everybody good, safe, health.
Healthy, yes. Try to keep that virus away if you can. If you can't, I hope you get over it. We hope you get over it very, very quickly. So for now,
Okay. Thank you, you watch. Thank you again. See you next time. Okay, bye right now.
再见.
再见. Bye.
Bye. Eat more, like we say.
Eat more.